Alright, I am back as we can see, and somehow, I don't know how, but this all of a sudden started working again. Um, so, so yeah, it did work, it started working again, so what I'm planning on doing, so now we want to change this to Anglers Avenue Siding, Siding 2 once again. And we're going to put a message because we want to display, hey, the scenario is complete, so here we go. Great job. You have you have made it to your destination, and a replacement and the replacement crew will be over shortly to take over for you. I like to just do that, just add a little bit of background story, because why not? And also, I just want to do this because I told you how I was unable to get the whole thing to work because it kept saying there was like a route not found or whatever. It kept saying that. So what I do want to do quickly, if that's okay, is I want to just try it again, see if like saving it helps or not. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna just save it right now. I don't know if I need to show you me setting it up, doing all the switches and add the front and stuff, because I already showed that to you. So I will be back very shortly. Okay, I am back, and now as you can see, it did work as it saved it and stuff, and it says that there's no issues. So now what we are going to want to do is we are going to want to, because as you can see, we want to say which we want to pick up. So we are going to want to go to here, and this is at Hialeah Yard 3, which is, that's this one right here. So you're going to click on this funny looking icon, and we are going to want to click this right here. It could take a bit of time sometimes. Just so you know, it will take a long time to do this, especially when you have long trains like what I'm making here. And yeah, based on what's going on here, I will be able to make this more fun and have it involve more switching. It just, I think, needs me to save it. Maybe like refreshing it helps. Sort of like, because sometimes you have to, like with YouTube, you have to just close it and try again, and then it works fine. Or with websites and stuff, or with phones, resetting them and restarting them and stuff actually can help a lot. Just so you know, this is gonna take a long time. Yes, this is gonna take an enormous amount of time. So what I am gonna do is I am gonna just skip ahead a little bit because I just needed to show you guys how to do this. So I think it's safe to do that. But before I do, I just want to put in the note. Great job. Now couple to the ones in siding 4. Yeah, it is siding 4. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna just skip ahead quickly for you guys. So here we go. Alright, as you can see, I am back, and I set it up so that way the game knows which train cars to couple to, and it took me a very long time in real time, but through the magic of video editing, I can make it seem like it took almost no time. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hook to the ones in siding 4. So once again, we're going to want to do an add to back. Let me just put it up there, it'll be just there. And then Hialeah Yard 4. Just gonna find it. Here we go. Yeah, Yard 4 right there. Although it says route not found, I am hoping that it does the thing where after we save it, it fixes itself. So now I'm just gonna put in the message. How about great job? Now we need to hook up to the cars and siding. Fine. There we go. Yep, and then once again, same process. You click the bus icon and do this. There we go. This won't take as long because there's not as many cars. So I can just display it to you guys. And once again, you can see how I did that. I added another one of those things onto my timetables. There we go. I got all those ones done. So so now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna skip ahead because I need to set up all these other rail cars through here. You know, I gotta do that. So yeah, I'll just save it and I will be back very shortly. Alrighty, I am back, and I did do a little bit of stuff off camera, but it was all stuff that we had already learned before. I didn't do any new stuff that we haven't talked about before. And now what we are going to do is we're going to there's this passenger train here. We want to take it somewhere. It's just going to be a background train. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to here once again, grab the driver's thing and put it there. Then we're going to want to go to here, and it's marked as Service 1. Somewhere around here. Ah, here it is. And yeah, let's make it how about an express passenger? Let's just do Amtrak Silver Star. That's what goes through this area of Florida in real life. So why not do that? And we just are going to do a final destination because it's just a background train once again. How about it ends? How about we make it stop at that track? Sheridan Street Track 2. Let me just Sheridan Street Track 2. There we go. Now it says once again route not found. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna save it quickly. See what happens. See if that helps. It might say it failed to load. I do not know. Yeah, unable to load track bin. Yeah, it must not be very happy. The computer must not be. Oh, that's weird. Now all of a sudden, bam! It's fine. It's kind of weird. It's okay, you know. Let's see where it is in relative to my train. Ah, yes, it's just gonna be a little background train. Yeah. Yeah, that would mean it would work though. And you know, we can always try again. You know, there's a lot of troubleshooting. I've said it once, I'll say it again. There's a lot of troubleshooting involved in making scenarios like this in Train Simulator. A lot of troubleshooting and trying to like fix stuff. Like I'd say that you kind of, it's good to kind of know how to solve problems. It's pretty good to know how to solve problems. Yeah, I'd say that looks good. And now what I want to do is I want to go ahead because I want to put in some more trains so that way it doesn't look like it's not all empty and stuff, you know? So Hialeah Yard 6, and after that we apparently it's taking us on this track. Do want to put in a bit of a waypoint. Yeah, I think I could do that. Put in a waypoint, like go via. How about this one, Opa-locka track, track 1. Let me just do this. Opa-locka track 1. This is a little bit scary because you don't know if it's like gonna crash or not. Because you know, Train Simulator does that. Where's Opa-locka track? Let me just. I gotta find it, obviously. Here it is. Opa-locka track 1. And then I'm just gonna. I know exactly what happened. I know exactly what happened here. I can just. I'm just gonna fix that. And I'm gonna copy, cut, and paste this. So Control C. Siding 2. Siding 1. Once again, it says it sounds incorrect. But you know, that happens a lot. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna quickly save it once again, you know.